Today we have the Nokia E1200 wireless/wired Bluetooth headphones. These E1200s are super light, foldable, fully adjustable, with 40mm moving coil drivers, and a 500 mAh internal battery, which is reported to have up to 40 hours usage time. Obviously, this is based upon 50% volume consistently being used. We will indeed be testing this aspect out throughout the week using 100% volume, but for now what I can state is that although, as mentioned, they are light, they do feel quite comfortable when placed upon my head. They do somewhat stay locked in place with breathable sponge memory foam over the ear earmuffs that will allow your ears to stay relatively cool. That's fantastic. Now we do indeed have the matte black version today. They do also come in blue and white versions too. They have a quite solid ABS plastic moulded shell, and the E1200s cost as little as £36. That's around 48 in US dollars.
But what accessories do we get?
Well, the accessories, we do have a simple user manual. There's a micro USB charge cable. To be honest though, I do wish it was a fast charging Type-C. But we do also have a 3.5mm audio cable for wired connection and a handy cloth pull cord carry case. Oh, snazzy that. Function wise, we do have those physical type option buttons, like play, pause, call answering, the previous and next track selections, which by the way also act as your volume controls, as well as having a voice assist button and a wickedly looking bass boost button too, you know, for an added thump. Oh, you hope so. Now yep, there is that 3.5mm audio port for a wired cable connection, which by the way, once you do plug in that cable, there'll be a very slight difference in audio quality than using them wirelessly. No, it's not that bad, because guess what?
What?
Well, charging this headset only takes 1 hour 50 minutes via that micro USB charge port. And lastly, syncing that Bluetooth 5.0 chip is real swift, once they are indeed powered on. So yes, they will go into pairing mode, and it would take just seconds to connect to your mobile device.
Wicked.
So guys, we have indeed had the opportunity to test out these Nokia E1200s over a good couple of weeks now. And well, to be quite honest, without that bass button being pressed, well, music quality did seem to initially sound quite flat. The mid-levels sound too far back, with the bass that didn't feel like it was making much of an impact and not bringing much energy when listening to certain genres of music like hip-hop. But hang on guys, when that bass boost button is pressed though, immediately the audio does sound more energetic. We have much more impacted full thumping bass. Okay, the midtones do slightly sound a bit better too, but even though when that bass button is pressed, we do now class that audio as being just above average for its price range, I still feel like it's basically missing something. I do wish that volume was a little bit higher at max volume, and that bass didn't drown out the high tones when that bass boost button is activated. So yes, you could say that those audio levels are a bit mixed and matched somewhat, but overall, music quality, I've got to give a 7 out of 10. Now comfort for long use, these earphones were perfectly fine. My ears never felt sweaty or hot. They are good if you do indeed intend to use them for fitness training too, as again I will mention that they do stay locked to your head, but I'm afraid noise cancellation or anything like that doesn't actually sound present, no. Function wise though, well, those function buttons, everything was fairly easy to blindly master. They were easily to locate on the left hand driver unit, and in regards to the voice pickup using that built-in microphone, well, judge for yourselves, here you go.
This unfortunately is an example of the microphone quality. As you may tell, the microphone pickup is real muffled, and that's the same when making voice calls too. It's quite poor in fact, and unfortunately no, the lips are not in sync with the video and my voice pickup. So overall for this microphone, nah, it's not going to get a high score, it's going to get only a 4 out of 10 I'm afraid.
So for comfort, we are going to give these headphones today a 9 out of 10. Functionality, we're going to give another 9 out of 10, with the microphone quality sitting at just 4 out of 10. If you want to know the usage time, we did get 23 hours 10 minutes out of the 40 hours that was first specified. But hang on, that is while consistently using 100% volume. And by the way, that Bluetooth transmission distance, it's not too shabby too, reaching 13 meters before cutting off within closed doors. So, in whole, we are indeed going to give these Nokia E1200s today a 7 out of 10, and that's basing them within the budget range category. Now we will leave a link for these headphones in the video description down below. You are free to check that link out. And if you have liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, it means so much if you like and share this video. Even more so, please support this channel by subscribing, it means so much. As well as hitting that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now we've been loving doing lots of audio reviews in the past couple of weeks, and we hope to be doing some more tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!